Hello everyone, welcome to Saho Saga. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the topic of savings and investment and whether these both are same in sense. So, let's get started. So, let's be honest on the first instance. Where does we start from? So, be honest. Where does your money goes every month? You think maybe in payment of bills or Netflix or in any other savings or some in investment. So most of the people think that they are doing a great job, but let me put it in a simple way. So in this video we are going to break two types of financial advices. So first of all, this video is not recommended you to jump into those financial instrumentalities. First, it's just an awareness video. So sit back, just enjoy this video. So welcome to Saho Saga. And let's get started. So first of all, savings means everyone thinks that there will be a piggy bank in home. You go put a penny inside it and just save it for years and years. And after some days, you just broke it and you just spend it on your loud goods in which you are desired to be enjoyful to use it, right? But is that the only thing of savings? So savings is something which is set aside by from our own income. Sometimes it can be got from like a pocket money too. And when it is set aside with those income, it is said to be safe and you can accessible at any time, which is easy to be accessible, and it is a stable interest, which is written right. So most banks prefer savings account as their own interest rate, such as they themselves open an account for us in savings account and they use our money in return, they give us a return. So this is said to be a savings account. But in savings account, there is a less return in those accounts. To illustrate this factor, let's assume saving as a bucket and you pour a water full of water into a bucket. So now it is said to be in a stable way and it doesn't move further or shaky. So it is high liquid, you can accessible at any point of time. It is like a bucket full of water which is filled and stable in nature. So savings is also said to be a short-term goal in order to achieve a short-term goal. For instance, if you want to buy something such as iPhone or MacBook, so this is said to be a short-term goal. So many people save money for their short-term expenses. So the second is all about investing. Investing is an art in which you grow your wealth, not just saving it, you grow your wealth. Before discussing the topic of investing, there is a critical and crucial fund which is must be taken into an account. So that is which is known as emergency fund. So before investing, every investor should have this fund which is known as emergency fund. What does this emergency fund implies? So emergency fund implies that when you are in need of emergency, because when you invest something in an asset class, so that is it it doesn't have a high liquidity ratio, in which instance you cannot access it as easy as possible, but it takes time. So this emergency fund implies that when you have any emergency situation, this fund will be helpful to you to access these funds and in any emergency areas. So before investing, put it in your mind that emergency fund is an essential before you invest a single penny into a market, because life is unexpected, right? Anything can may happen at any time. So now let's jump into what is mean by investing. So many people think that oh, investing is a very exciting part. We must take part in it, and everyone just closing their eyes and they just invest as it is without any knowledge. Or sometimes they look after a telegram tip, or sometimes they browse YouTube's. So this is said to be not to be done in investing. That's why it is called as an art of investing. So uh, investing is said to be in an asset class, which is stocks, bonds, index fund, real estate. So these are all types of investment in which you grow your wealth steadily, day by day, year by year, and finally you yield an ultimate income. So let's discuss about illustration like savings. Here, investing is said to be like planting a seed. Planting a seed, it is growing steadily year by year. When you water it, when you put fertilizers in it, it grows bigger and bigger, and the yield also will be higher. But sometimes those seeds doesn't able to be grown at a fullest stake. So some plant will grow only mid level, some will grow below that, some will not even grow, some will not even touches or emerges out of the soil itself. It is dead. So investing is a riskier part, and most investors comes to this field in order to grow their wealth, and some comes to this field in order to get greedy. For an instance, oh, those stocks stock up for 500% in the last 1 year, so I have to invest in that to get a higher yield. So this doesn't works here. They may be greedy, like Warren Buffett once mentioned that when the market is greedy, you must be in a fearful state. And when the market is in a fearful state, you must be a greedy one. So this is must be taken into a consideration before investing a single penny into your account. You see, an average savings account returns in a major public sector and private sector banks, which is public sector, which may contain SBI, Canara Bank, which is 2.5% to 3.5% per annum. Let's take an example of Raghav, who saved 10,000 rupees per year, and his return in savings account is just 3.5%, which is 350 rupees, which is total of 10,350 rupees. So other example is that Roshan, he invests 10,000 rupees in an Nifty index, which is 12 to 15% return, which is set by index fund. So to compare both of this, savings account gives a less return, and investing, which is done by Roshan, which have yielded 12 to 15%, which is a huge difference. If you compare these two may be at the same level, but these two have a different nature. So when you save money, it is just to for a short term period of time. But when you invest money, like I said before, you must need an emergency fund, because your money has been locked into an asset class in which it cannot be moved or taken as it is like savings account. So from this example, it is clear that investing may be the best fine option. You may think that, right? But there is also a catch, because market status and asset classes isn't a fixed rate of return like savings account. It may differ as per the geographical condition, geopolitical instance, such as Iran-Israel war. The market is going so rapidly that investor just panic selling every other assets. So it is mandatory to learn what do you mean by savings and what do you mean by investing in sense. So as I mentioned, savings is that for a short term period of time, and investing is such to a long term period of time. So let me put it in a simple way by dividing it as in a three baskets. One, just list down what are all your spendings and what are all the expenses in which it cost on spending. Second, how much amount you are going to be in savings, and plus how much you are willing to contribute to your emergency fund. And last basket is that how much or when do you invest. This is three major basket in which this video has been put into. So savings and investing is not in a competitive mode. We doesn't want to pick either of them or any one of them, but both also needed. So in order to sustain in this world, we must both have short term as well as long term goals. So those must be fulfilled by savings and investing. So what are all the common mistakes in which people makes in their investment strategy is that they fail to create an emergency fund before investing in an account, which is said to be a very critical way of losing in an unexperienced way. So second is when the market is volatile in nature, like Iran, Israel, they do panic sell in the first place. So, but you must put it into mind that it may be at a risk now, but it will be rebound later in a period of time. So, third thing is all about investing in the same asset class is also said to be a mistake which is done by a investor, because diversification is the main key factor in an investing art. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all have understood this video, and let's hope for the best. And this video is only to spread awareness. That's it, guys. Thank you. But please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you.